Includes carry bag and fasteners, ties. For use with any elevated stand with a shooting rail or as an independent blind at ground level. Quick and easy installation. Epic camo design. Measures 32 high x 100 long. Quick and easy installation. Carry bag included. Can be used with elevated stand or as an independent blind at ground level. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. I disagree with the folks who said it's too short. Went completely down to the bottom of my 2-man Ameristand tree stand. Convenient carrying case doubles as accessory holder inside the blind for your gear.